In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw support and resistance lines in MetaTrader 5. Before we jump into the platform, let's quickly set the foundation. Support is a price level where a market often finds a floor and bounces upward because buyers step in. Resistance is the opposite, a level where price often stalls or reverses downward as sellers appear. Traders use these key zones to plan entries, exits, stop losses, and profit targets, so drawing them clearly and consistently is a core charting skill. Now let's do it manually in MT5. Open the chart you want to analyze, for example, a common pair like URUSD. At the top of the chart, you'll see the drawing toolbar with several line icons. Click the horizontal line icon to activate it. With the tool selected, click on the chart near a recent low to create a potential support line, or near a recent high to create a potential resistance line. Once the line appears, click and drag it with your mouse to position it precisely at the level you want. If it feels a bit off, zoom in so you can line it up more accurately with price. A practical way to place these levels is to connect areas where price reacted multiple times. For support, look for 2 or more swing lows where the market bounced up. For resistance, look for 2 or more swing highs where price turned down. The more times price touches a level and respects it, the more significant that level tends to be. You don't need to force lines onto the chart. Let the market show you where it has reacted before. When aligning your line, decide whether you want it to capture the candle bodies, the wicks, or a blend that catches the most reactions. Often, choosing the level that best fits the majority of touches gives you a more reliable reference. If you place a line and price breaks through it decisively, simply adjust it to the next area where price has shown reactions. These levels are guides, not guarantees, and markets evolve over time. As you work, keep your chart clean. A few well-chosen lines are more useful than a tangle of levels. After placing support and resistance, step back and look at the overall picture. Do your lines align with recent turning points and areas of congestion? If so, you've likely marked meaningful zones. That's it. By identifying reaction points and using the horizontal line tool in MT5, you can quickly map out support and resistance levels that help you plan better trades with more confidence.